Good morning students. So today our topic will be calendar. Okay. Normally in calendar we will discuss two kind of problem. One will be finding the date for day for date. One is referential day. Okay. So let's start for day. Okay. Normally we are means there are two types of calendar. Okay. Normally year is of two type. Okay. One is year, normal year, and one is year, leap year. Okay. Normal year means how many days? 365 days. Leap year means 366 days. Difference is February it has only 28 days. 28 days in February month. Here 29 days. Okay. Normally when we are asking what is a leap year, okay, if a year is divisible by 4, then that is a leap year. Normally we are saying it from a long time ago, but that is not correct. Then that is a leap year. This one is not correct. This one is correct only if we are calculating normal years. Okay, when it comes to century years, we need to divide by 400. Why this 400 rule come, I'll discuss in the later. Okay, so we're going to discuss with finding the day. Okay, this finding the day we are going to dealing with one number. Okay, that number is you need to remember. If you remember mean this number will give you marks. 144 025 036 146. Okay, many other books or something you will find this different number. Okay, but everything is correct. You need to follow only one pattern only. Why I am following? Okay, this number is easy to remember. 144 means 12 square, 5 square, 6 square, then 12 square plus 2. First number plus 2. This one is easy to remember. This 1 means code for Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, this one is the code. Again we need to remember one more thing. Okay, remember 1600 is 6, 1700 is 4, 2 to reducing in order, 1800 is 2, 1900 is 0. Okay, 1900 is, sorry, it's mistake only, 1900 is 0. Okay, 1900 is 0. Now my day will start always with Sunday. Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, Tuesday 3, Wednesday 4, Thursday 5, Friday 6. Then tell me Saturday. Saturday 7. No, 7 will not come. 7th thala for a reason will not come. 7 will be 0. Okay, I'll tell you why. Now you can ask me any date. Okay, suppose 7th July 1981. Yes, thala birthday only. Okay, now 7 you need to write it as 7. July month code will be, just check, July will be 0. 1981 you need to divide into two part. One will be a century year, one will be your normal year. 1900 code will be 0. 1900 code is 0. Then 81 write as it is 81. Now tell me, in 81 year how many leap years are there? 81 by 4 means 21 by 4. You need to take this quotient part only. So 20. Okay. So 7 plus 0 7 plus 0 7 plus 81 88 plus 20 108. Okay. 108, after that weekly how many days? 7 days. 108 by 7 means 15, 3 by 7. Here you need to take the remainder part only. 3 means it will be a Tuesday. You can open your calendar and check, it will be a Tuesday. Okay. Now, shall we go for one more date? Suppose go for 29th Jan 1994. Now 29 will be 29. Jan month code is 1 1. 1994 you need to divide into two part. Okay. Suppose 1900 and 94. 1900 code is 0. 94 will be as it is 94, and in 94 year 23 leap year means 23 extra days. Okay. So just add everything. 29 plus 130, 30 plus 94, 124 plus 23, 147. 147 by 7 means remainder is 0. Okay. 0 means it will be a Saturday. Now can you go for one more day? Okay. Now come to, suppose 8th Jan 1992. Here how we will solve? Okay. 8 will be 8. Jan code is 1. 1992 divided into two part. 1900 and 92. 1900 code is 0. 92 will be as it is 92, and in 92 year 23 leap years are there. If I am not correct, 23 leap years are there. Okay. So 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 92 101 plus 23 124. 124 by 7 means 17. 5 by 7, 5 is the remainder. Now check your table. 5 means Thursday. If you will write Thursday as your answer will be wrong. Why? We are following everything correctly, then why we are getting wrong answer? The problem is, just one second. The problem is, when it's a leap year, and the day is on 29th Feb or before that, then we need to do -1 from the final answer. Now tell me how we are, suppose here 1992 we are calculating as a leap year, but actually 1992 is a leap year, but that leap year, that extra day is added to 29th of Feb, right? But my day is before that, so before that means I am not passing that extra one day. Okay, so if we will do means we will do some wrong calculation. So if we are calculating like that means then we have to do -1 to balance our calculation. If my date is on 29th Feb also, okay, or before than that, we need to do as our normal calculation and we need to do -1. Can you go for, okay, sometimes question will be like that, 31st April 2004. If you calculate here applying the formula, you will get something, but the common mistake what the students are doing, they are forgetting the basic, because April has only 30 days. Okay, April has 30 days. This date is not practically possible. Sometimes also question will be like that, if you calculate also you will get some answer, but first you need to apply your common sense. Okay, so April has only 30 days. Okay, this kind of question also might come, but if you are only mug up the formula only, okay, you will get some answer, but the thing is that answer is not correct, right? Because April is only 30 days, how I will get 31st? Got it, right? So this kind of question also come in the exam, so you need to apply your common sense and you need to give your answer. Next thing is, suppose 29th Feb 2008. Sir, how we will calculate for 2000? Because you gave up to 1600, 1700, 1800, 1900, right? How we will calculate for 2000? Okay, 2000 is not a big deal. Okay, because after 1900, 2000 will repeat it 1600 only. Okay, so 29 Feb means what? 29th. Okay, 2008 is a leap year, but my day is on 29 Feb means I need to do normal calculation. After that I need to do -1. 29th Feb code is 4, 2000, sorry, 2008. Okay, 2000 code will be how much? 6. 8 will be 8. In 8 2 years are there. 29 plus 4 33, plus 6 39, plus 8 47, plus 2 49. 49 by 7 means remainder is 0, but remainder 0 means, okay, 0 means Sunday, sorry, Saturday. 0 means Saturday, but I need to do -1, that means answer will be Friday. Okay, now, okay, can you tell me, suppose we are getting leap year means we know that we need to divide by 4, but when it comes to century years, why it's dividing by 400? Why in between them there is no one nation one formula? Okay, why for this two condition two different formulas are there? This is unfair, right? But there is a reason behind it. Okay, normally one day means what? Suppose this one is your sun. Okay, now suppose this one is earth. Okay, when we are getting one day, suppose earth is moving around its own axis means one day is completed. One day means how much? It's 24 hours. Just for our calculation we are taking 24 hours, but practically it is only 23 hours 56 minutes 48 seconds. After that some milli, micro and nanoseconds are there, which is none of our business. Okay, if you calculate like this it will never end. Okay, now 1 year means how many days? 1 year means 365 days and 6 hours. Because of 4 year only we are getting 1 day extra, right? But is the earth is taking actually 6 hours? No, it is actually taking 5 hours 47 minutes 56 seconds. Okay, now tell me, means every 1 year we are doing a wrong calculation of, okay, almost 12 minutes. Okay, then can you tell me in first 100 year how many wrong calculation we are doing? Doing a wrong calculation of 1200 minutes. Okay, so second year 200 year, it's almost, actually it is 48 minutes. Okay, almost 11 minutes 1100 minute. Okay, 200 year means double 200 minute. Okay, 300 year means double 300 minute. Okay, and 400 year means it is double 400 minute. Okay, can you tell me double for every 400 year we are ahead of double 400 minute? That means almost 73 hour. 73 hour means, can you tell me how many days? Sorry, means almost 3 days. Okay, means every 400 year we are calculating ahead of 3 days, but actual time is our actual time is behind of that 3 days what we are calculating. So what we are doing, suppose 100 year is there, 200 is there, 300 is there, 400 is there. So what we need to do, we need to, for the century year only, we need to divide by 400, then only that 3 days we can balance. If it is divisible by 400, give it as a leap year. If it's not divisible by 400 means give it as a normal year. So 100 will not be a leap year, we can balance 2 3, this one will be leap, means we are ahead of 3 days, then we balance that 3 days. Okay, that's why when it comes to any century year, don't divide by 4. When it comes to any century year, don't divide by 4, divide by 400. Okay, next. Okay, now repetition of calendar. Okay, repetition of calendar. Okay, now whatever I am writing, just listen carefully. Okay, the Gregorian calendar repeats in every 400 year. Okay, means every 400 year the calendar will be repeated. Okay, but specific years will be repeated after 6, 11 or 28 year. I'll tell you when this 6, 11 or 28 will come. Okay, a common year that follows a leap year will be repeated in every 6 years. Okay, now tell me. Common year means, suppose 2004 is a leap year. So 2005 follows one leap year. 2005 follows one leap year means, so next one will be 2011. Okay, now then remaining 2 year, suppose 2006 and 2007, they will be repeated means will be every 11 year. Okay, means next one will be 2006 is having same year as 2017, and 2007 is having same calendar as 2018. Okay, now leap year will repeat itself in every 28 years. Now comes to referential. Okay, referential means, just 1 minute. Suppose question will be like this: if today is Thursday, what will be day after 62 days? Okay, now we need to calculate in 62 days how many odd days are there. 8, 6 by 7, so 6 number of odd days. Now from Thursday you need to calculate after 6 days, so day will be Wednesday. Okay, this kind of question will be there. If 15th August 2025 is Friday, what will be the day on 15th August 2026? Means same day in 26. Okay, 25 is a normal year, means 25 to 26 difference will be 365 days. In 365 days, how many number of odd days are there? 52, 1 by 7. So 1 number of odd days. So next year it will be Friday plus 1, how much? It will be Saturday. Okay, that's all about your calendar. Okay, if you know that number, means you can solve each and every question. That's all from my side. Okay, since it's a new channel, kindly do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.